Stop settling for static imagery. In a crowded digital market, your products need to move to capture attention, like this. Welcome to Google Flow. This is not just an interface, it is the ultimate creative engine for your brand. Start by dropping in your high resolution asset from the moment you upload to the project space. You are in total control. Now bring it to life with precision. We are using detailed prompts to guide the AI, defining 3D parallax movement, sophisticated studio lighting, and hyper-realistic physics. Select the Veo 3.1 fast engine to balance speed and quality. This is where your vision translates into reality. Watch as the render pulls it all together. Seamless motion, realistic reflections, and that premium editorial polish. Stop designing templates and start creating experiences. That is the power of ZD Studio Lab.